Today I'm out at Trail Cemetery in Ozark County, Missouri, a small family cemetery sitting on land once homesteaded by Asa West Trail and his wife, Elizabeth or Betty Davis. As I clean their graves, I want to share the story of Asa's life, a man who married 3 times, served for the Union during the Civil War, raised 12 children, and spent his final years on this very piece of land. Let's take a look at the life of Asa Trail. Asa West Trail was born on October 2, 1827, in Williamson County, Tennessee. The oldest of at least 13 children born to Basil and Anna West Trail. His father was 24 years old and his mother 25 when Asa was born. The first time Asa appears in official records is in 1850. At 21 years old, he was living in Jackson County, Missouri, with members of his mother's family and working on their farm. Like many young men of that time, he was building a life through hard labor and family connections. In 1851, at the age of 23, Asa married 38-year-old Polly Elliott, a marriage that stands out for its time as men typically married younger women, not older. Asa and Polly had no children, and just 3 years later, Polly passed away at only 41 years old. There are no known records explaining her death or where she was laid to rest. The same year Polly passed away, Asa married again. In August of 1854, at 26 years old, he wed another 38-year-old woman, Almira Mode. Once again, the marriage was short-lived. Almira died the following year at age 39, and like Polly, no burial records have been found. They had no children together. After losing 2 wives in such a short span of time, Asa married for a 3rd time in December of 1855. He once again married within the same year of his wife passing away. This time, he chose 15-year-old Elizabeth or Betty Davis. Asa was 28 at the time. This would be his final marriage. Betty is who he would spend the rest of his life with. Together, Asa and Betty had 12 children, 6 daughters and 6 sons. Eliza, Ellen, Polly, Nancy, Leota, John, Benjamin, William, Susan, George, Walter, and Richard. Betty gave birth to her children from the age of 16 up until 41. The Trail family moved frequently over the years, living in Christian County, Texas County, Franklin County, and Greene County, Missouri. While they were living in Greene County, the Civil War broke out. Asa began his military service in 1864 at the age of 36. He served as a private in Company M for the Union. His military records list him in the 73rd Missouri Militia, though his headstone states the 72nd, likely another example of incorrect information carved in the stone. His service lasted until 1865. After the war, the family continued moving before finally settling around 1900, when Asa was about 73 years old, on a farm in Ozark County. The cemetery I am cleaning today was named for Asa and Betty Trail and sits on the very land they once homesteaded. Asa passed away in 1906 at the age of 79. He was buried on his own land in what is now Trail Cemetery in Ozark County. After his death, Betty appears on the 1910 census living with her daughter Nancy and son-in-law Israel Mayfield. She lived nearly 2 more decades, passing away in 1928 at the age of 87. She was laid to rest beside Asa in Trail Cemetery. Through my family research, I found out that my husband is related to Asa's wife, Betty. She is his 6th cousin, 5 times removed. Thank you for watching and for helping keep these stories alive. Rest in peace, Asa.